What's up YouTube? This is All Things Quick, back with part 2 of how to open a hood latch that's stuck on a 2003 Audi A4. I'm doing part 2. If you haven't seen part 1, I'm going to link it right here for you to check that out. Definitely go ahead and watch that first, but this is part 2 because I wanted to explain to the viewers that are watching this of what to do before you actually shut your hood after reopening it. So I've already done what I've explained in the first video. So my hood can now open. So what I want to do now is before I shut my hood, I want to make sure that this actuator here is actually going to work. I don't want that hood to shut and then I'm not going to be able to open it up again. So what I'm going to do is, I've already done it, but I'm going to do it for demonstration purposes. I'm going to spray that with some WD-40, and this is the end of my can, so it's not coming out much. Anyways, you're going to want to spray all inside there and make sure that that's well lubricated. Then you're going to want to come along to the inside and you're going to see this mechanism, this guy right here. You want to make sure that you're able to push that with your finger, that it's moving and that it actually functions the way that it's supposed to. Once you see that that mechanism is functioning properly, you're going to want to come to the top side here and grab an Allen key or a flathead screwdriver or something that you have laying around. You're going to want to press inside there, grab this with your finger, come onto the other side so it doesn't flip back. If you don't do it right, it's just going to flip backwards. You want to latch that shut. You want to make sure that that's shut as if the hood was coming down on this and it was latching. Next thing you do, you want to go inside your vehicle and pull the hood release. When you're doing this, it might stick for the first time, but because you've moved the mechanism around, it should be free enough that it's not going to stick. So you want to listen for it. And you heard that sound, right? We can make sure that that's functioning properly. And we come to the front of the vehicle and we can see now that it's released the way that it's supposed to. So again, you're gonna wanna do this probably more than once just to make sure that you're not gonna have to go through part 1 all over again. Now I'm back inside the vehicle, go for my hood release, and we're listening for it. And there we go. So now that it's released again, we can go ahead and shut the hood, confident that it's not gonna get stuck again. So for the moment of truth, we're gonna go ahead and shut the hood. We'll come back into the inside, go for our hood release, and there we go. We hear that sound, so we've completed it. It's not gonna get stuck again, and if it does, we're just gonna lube it up again, just like we did last time. So now we can be confident that we can shut our hood without having to go for that mechanism again. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to leave a like, leave a thumbs up. It helps me out a lot. It lets me know that you guys are actually enjoying these videos and that it's good content. If you liked it, comment down below. Let me know what you thought about it. If it helped you out, please let me know. I love to hear good feedback like that, and I appreciate you guys watching and commenting and all that stuff. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. See you later.